Down. Yeah, that thing. Ew, with the oohs and the ahs. Big 30s on him.
Do it. That's cool. Don't you get dirty.
Alrighty, man. Next day here, y'all see what's going on, man. We got the big Escalade in the back. We got the rims going on there, man. Y'all see what it is. Big 30s on him. That's nuts. I ain't gonna hold you. That look nuts. Ew, with the oohs and the ahs. That's how you feeling?
Yeah, gonna roll. Yeah, just gonna roll.
No, you gotta tighten them down first.
It did. Impact.
Nah, torque or something.
You know what I'm saying? With like a torque wrench?
Something.
Yeah,
that shit ain't gonna, that electric shit ain't gonna be enough. But yeah, no, them things do look good though.
That back should go no problem.
Yeah, the back gonna look good. Y'all see what's going on. Big SSG on the back of the window, man. So that's how you feeling today, man? 30s on the Escalade, man?
On everything.
On everything.
Get out of here.
It's a movie. Said it's temporary?
Yes. My truck don't get to Thursday because the damn transporter guy broke down in Chicago.
Oh,
this
man.
The one that they had got me the first time, but they had the sunroof and it ain't got no sunroof, so I ain't want it.
Oh, got you. This one with the brown letter then?
Yeah.
Okay, got you.
Nah, that's the one with the black one.
Okay,
no.
got you. These rims hard though.
I'm gonna just go ahead and get it back to him when I get back.
Right.
And then we're gonna do the exact same thing to the 223.
Y'all see what's going on, man.
It's a 2022 right here.
It's gonna fit the occasion, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, it's actually good though, because the rim got that chrome in it.
Telling you, they look hard on here for sure.
I vision that shit, bro.
It look good. Before you even do it. Right. That's why niggas be on go. Ain't no slow motion, no nothing. Y'all see what's going on. Movies only, man. Just don't full lock.
No, just on the inside. Yeah, that's right. No, that back part is the only thing we cut all in. Go. Do it. That's cool. Don't you get dirty. Yeah, rub a little bit. You rub a little bit. Is it something like, let me see, turn all the way back that way? Hey, yeah, block that. Hey, look. Close that though, get that jacket. Oh, yeah, see, it did roll the tie shot out that one. Yeah. I'm trying to see if it ain't nothing rough, but it's smooth. Nice, smooth. Yeah, just a little carpet shit. Yeah, a little carpet. A little tie shot out, man. Niggas ain't gonna be doing that much. Nah, I ain't doing that much.
Full lock, he'll be good.
What you say?
Piece of clothing.
Hey, watch out. Stop. Hey, let's tie shot on that. Go to the side. Hey, close that back. I put the sockets and everything in the back. Yeah, we'll do all that. No, I put it in the back. All right, good. That's good. Only that been missing is window tint, man.
Park brake.
Red spray.
That thing hard, man. That thing hard for sure. I need to go get a wash now. That's hard.
Just screw up just a little bit over here. Investor, that's all it is. Oh, no, it's right here. Okay, I see what it is. Hey. Just that one, too. Okay, I see it.
But yeah, you guys see it here first, man. Let me know what you guys think about it. 2022 Escalade on 30 inches of nice wheels. I don't even know the name of the wheels. They got the Cadillac emblems on them though. They looking real good. SSG on the back. Y'all see what's going on. We actually on our way to the Orlando Classic, man. We going out there. I was supposed to be taking my vet. My dad's supposed to be out here in a little bit so I could take the box, but I don't think he's gonna make it in time before we pull off, man. So we gonna see what's good, but this thing is freaking dope. Let's take a look in the inside real quick. Wi-Fi. Ooh. This thing is nice. This thing is nice. Look real futuristic. Like I said, no freaking sunroof. That's why he ended up opting out and getting a 2023. It didn't make it here in time, but all in all, this thing is pretty dope. Really dope Escalade, man. Y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below.